Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. Okay, children, as you all know that today is Thursday. आज क्या है? Thursday. तो हम Thursday में क्या करते हैं? हम activities करते हैं ना? क्या करते हैं? Activities करते हैं. तो एक्टिविटीज़ में हम क्या करते हैं? कभी डांस करेंगे, कभी सिंगिंग करेंगे, कभी हम पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे. ओके. So today what we will do activities of alphabets. आज हम क्या करेंगे? Alphabets की activities करेंगे. Okay. Now take out your flashcards and your alphabet book. Take out your flashcards and alphabet book. Okay. Okay, children. What is this? A. What is this? A. तो अब हम पढ़ेंगे A बुक में. Now say with me. A for ankle, A for ant, A for alligator, A for album, A for apple, A for ambulance, A for astronaut, A for arrow, A for X. Now what is this? B. What is this? B. अब हम बी की एक्टिविटीज़ देखेंगे कि कौन कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं बी से. ओके. बी फॉर बनाना, बी फॉर बॉल, बी फॉर बलून, बी फॉर बैग, बी फॉर बास्केट, बी फॉर बैट, बी फॉर बेल, B for box, B for boy, B for bus. B के बाद क्या आता है? C. What is this? C. अब हम देखेंगे कि C की ऑब्जेक्ट्स कौन कौन से होते हैं. C for candle, C for camera, C for camel, C for cap, C for car, C for carrot, C for cat, C for comb, C for cow, C for cup. Now what is this? D. What is this? D. D for deer, D for den, D for doctor, D for dog, D for doll, D for dolphin, D for donkey, D for door, D for dot, D for duck. Now, which alphabet is this? E. What is this? E. E for egg, E for eggplant, E for elbow, E for elevator, E for engine, E for elephant. Now which letter is this? F. What is this? F. F for feather, F for fan, F for family, F for feet, F for finger, F for fire, F for firefighter. F for fish. F for fork. F for fox. Now which letter is this? G. Which letter is this? G. G for gate. G for gift. G for girl. G for goat. G for garlic. G for guitar. G for game. Now which letter is this? H. What is this? H. H for hammer. H for handle. H for hand. H for hanger. What is this? I. What is this? I. I for insect. I for inside. I for invitation card. I for injection. What is this? J. What is this? J. J for jacket. J for jackfruit. J for jackal. J for jam. J for jar. J for jellyfish. J for joker. J for jug. J for juice. J for jump. Now which letter is this? K. Which letter is this? K. K for kangaroo. K for Kettle. K for key. K for keyboard. K for king. K for kitchen. K for kite. K for kitten. K for kiwi. Now which letter is this? L. Which letter is this? L. L for ladder. L for lamp. L for laptop. L for leaf. L for lemon. L for leopard. L for lion. L for lizard. L for lock. L for log. Now which letter is this? M. Which letter is this? M. M for mat. M for mango. M for money. M for man. M for milk. M for mirror. M for mitten. M for monkey. M for moon. M for mug. Now which letter is this? N. Which letter is this? N. N for napkin. N for nail. N for needle. N for net. N for nest. N for newspaper. N for noodles. N for 9. N for nose. N for nurse. Now which letter is this? O. Which letter is this? O. O for octopus. O for olives. O for on. O for omelette. O for orange. O for ostrich. Which letter is this? P. Which letter is this? P. P for pan. P for parrot. P for pot. P for peg. P for peas. P for pen. P for pillow. P for pineapple. P for potato. P for pumpkin. Okay, this is your last letter P. क्योंकि हम लोगों का अभी तक अल्फ़ाबेट्स हम लोगों ने P तक लिखे हैं ना, तो हम लोग P तक ही पढ़ेंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, जैसे हम लोगों ने अभी पढ़ा, तो हम लोग को क्या करना है अब हम लोग जो घर के ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं उन्हें शो करेंगे. लाइक आई एम हैविंग ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बुक, सी फॉर crayons, D for duster. Okay, C for cup, F for fork, B for bottle. ओके, तो आप लोगों में ऐसे क्या करना है, आपके घर में कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे, कोई भी थिंग्स होंगे, तो आपको उसे शो करके बताना है कि किस लेटर से आता है. ओके, थैंक यू क्लास, हैव अ गुड डे.